Let's learn how to divide 301 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 0 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 1 here. Look that this is the number 1. So remove this 0. This 1 is less than 2. In spite of this, as we have brought down this number 1 here, we need to divide it. We know that 2 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 1. But in this case, as 1 is less than 2 and we have no number to bring down here, so in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 301 divided by 2 is equal to 150.5. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.